Welcome back. I got a decent amount of stuff here. I got it on mold. Yes, we're in the midst of my workspace. Things are everywhere. But oh well, we move. So let me come around and start. I'll start with this one because I'm curious how it's gonna look on the other side. This is a coaster. I just got the mold. Oh, okay. Okay, this looks good. You see how it's textured? It's like a mandala, what you call it. I am very pleased with this. I was thinking about going in and doing each individual section, but yeah, no. This is just a test run for me because this is mine and blue is my favorite color, so there's that. This one is another plant hanger. Oh, this is still a little soft, so we're gonna have to let it sit for a little bit longer. I won't pop these out just yet because it's still a little soft, so I'm gonna just let it sit on that so it'll maintain the shape and finish curing. This one should be fine. This one I did first. This is a request from a customer. I was so pleased that they wanted this design. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. This is not exactly what I thought it was gonna look like, but just along the lines. They wanted purple or white. I decided to do both. It's a little translucent and you see the Pointless Socks logo in the middle there. This is nice. I don't even have to do another layer because it lifted up a bit. Oh, I'm fucking with this potty mouth. But yeah, this look good. This look good. This look good. But yeah, see, here we are. And you can kind of see through it if you can see my finger on the other side. But yeah, there's that. And then these are all incense holders. I'm not even gonna try and go one by one. I'm just, oh, yeah, these are all still a little soft. It's because they're so thin. That's really what it is, because this one isn't soft at all. Like, this is how it should be. But it's also much more resin, so it's not gonna take as long to harden. Whereas these are thinner. It's just leftover resin that I use to make incense holders. This one's pretty. I like this. It's like blue and white. It's like the coaster that I have over there. But yeah, I think I might gift this one to someone who also likes the color blue. But yeah, that's everything. Scoop back around. All right, so yeah, that's everything that I had left to unmold. They had the different popsicle sticks and everything on here. It's Christmas season. I've been doing requests, so excuse the mess. This one though, the rim was supposed to be completely blue, and you can see it from like the top, but like from the side not really, because like I said, it's a thin layer, so all the other stuff that's in there kind of, you just see the whole thing. But it's purple, blue, and white, and I'm fucking with it. I really love how this came out though. Like this, yeah, on the nice. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the podcast Pointless Talks, and check out all the other YouTube videos, unboxings, unmoldings, and just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye. Pointless unmolding. Bye.